Kali phos, it is the one of the organic tissue salt introduced by Dr. Susler in his 12 tissue remedies. Later, this medicine was proved by one of the greatest nerve remedy. It acts well in all conditions where there is an involvement of nerve. Friends, in this video, I am going to share with you detailed indication of Kali phos in various conditions. Also, we will share that apart from its nerve involvement. So let's get started. Kali phos is commonly called as a phosphate of potassium. It is proved by Dr. H.C. Allen. The chemical formula of this medicine is K2HP4. K2HP4. Kali phos, it acts mainly on fluid, on tissue. Also, it acts well on brain, nerve, muscles, and blood cell. By acting on brain and nerve cell, and also the blood cell, the Kali phos affects the nutrition, which is causes the irritation, followed by the inflammation, moderate degree of degeneration. It seems. Let's see the constitution makeup of the Kali phos. Is typically indicated for those patients who are anemic, chlorotic. These are the very delicate person. The Kali phos patients are generally worn out from long suffering. They have the nervous temperament and thermally they are highly chilly patient, like my roommate Tanvi. So friends, now let's see how the symptoms are originated in a Kali phos symptoms. In Kali phos gets originated because of the overwork, worry, excitement and the grief. Also the symptoms in Kali phos gets originated because of the mechanical injury and blow. Friends, now let's see one by one indication of Kali phos, starting first with headache. The Kali phos indicated the occipital headache. Headache which is generally seen in those students who are worn out by the fatigue. Patient here suffer from dull headache. Head feels very tired, the back of head feels so sore as if here was the pull. This headache get relief by the gentle motion. The Kali phos, it is a nerve remedy, so it is generally seen in causes where there is an involvement of nerve. So the Kali phos is also indicated the ears whenever there is a humming and the buzzing in ears, which is the nothing but tinnitus condition. Also the Kali phos is indicated in dizziness and the weakness with exhaustion. The tongue of the patient is covered brownish just like that mustard. So friends, the Kali phos is also indicated in a gangrenous condition of sore throat. Also it indicated in a paralysis of vocal cord. Friends, the Kali phos acts well in a diarrhea. But here in a diarrhea is produced after a fright or with the depression. After exhaustion, here with diarrhea is very putrid and the foul smelling. Diarrhea while eating also indicates. Kali phos also acts well in a dysentery where the stool consists of pure blood and along with dysentery. The most important concomitant symptom is seen that the patient become the delirious abdomen swell and in clera-like condition. The stool have right this water-like appearance with a prolapse of rectile. Kali phos mind of the patient is again very unique and it show the number of symptoms from the confusion, anxiety, mental, depression, hallucination, insomnambulism, illusion and the hysteria. It almost all stages of mental disease. The Kali phos acts so well, so the patient are very nervous, they are the depressed and the generally irritable. They have the great despondency about their business. They sometimes even suffer from the loss of memory. They are the highly indisposed to the meet people. Sometimes they are shy. They want energy. Slightest labor seems to a very heavy task from them. So they are the suffer from brain, from overwork, anxiety, leathery, gloomy moods. Also seen in Kali phos. They always look darker side of everything, which is again one of the important symptoms of the depression where they have the negative mindset, hysteria, night terror, somnambulism and the extreme latitude and depression is seen. The Caliphaus patient sometimes the hallucination and the illusion of sense are also seen. So friends, all this condition of the Caliphaus get aggravated from the excitement, from worry, from mental and the physical exertion. Also the complaints get aggravated by the eating in cold and in early morning. The complaints gets better by the rest and by nourishment. In this video on the Caliphos, please leave your valuable feedback and any suggestion in comments. Thank you.